But first, President Barack Obama delivers his health care address to Congress. Tonight, the president made his best push in hopes of gaining support from Democrats, Republicans, and all Americans. Under his plan, President Obama says all individuals would be required to carry basic health insurance. A public option would be available, but only as a last resort. It would not be subsidized by taxpayers. The president's plan would cost $900 billion over the next 10 years. Eyewitness News reporter Joel Brown joins us from Washington with tonight's top local story.
After a summer of heated town halls about health care, tonight President Obama launched his own full-on campaign to get reform done.
The President of the United States.
President Obama is trying to grab the reins of the health care debate, insisting reform happen on his watch.
The time for bickering is over. The time for games has passed.
He used his primetime address to lay out a sweeping overhaul with 3 goals, incorporating many of the proposals that lawmakers already agree on.
Under this plan, it will be against the law for insurance companies to deny you coverage because of a pre-existing condition.
The president also outlined plans to provide insurance to the 50 million Americans who don't have it and slow skyrocketing health care costs. President Obama is walking a tightrope on Capitol Hill. He can't afford to alienate liberal lawmakers insistent upon a public insurance option, but he needs the support of a few Republicans and conservative Democrats set against it. The president stood squarely behind the government offering insurance to compete with private companies, but indicated he's still open to compromise.
But I will not back down on the basic principle that if Americans can't find affordable coverage, we will provide you with a choice.
President Obama said he would welcome other serious ideas to improve the reform plan, but not calculated politics to kill it.
If you misrepresent what's in this plan, we will call you out. And I will not accept the status quo as a solution.
Republicans say they're willing to listen, but want the focus to be on cost-lowering repairs to the system.
The president had a chance tonight to take the government-run health care off the table. Unfortunately, he didn't do it.
President Obama will work to keep the momentum in his corner with a road trip to Minneapolis this weekend. So if you were keeping count, the president was interrupted by applause 54 times, and there was one instance where the president was heckled. A Republican congressman shouted, "It's a lie," when the president proclaimed that his new health initiatives would not cover illegal aliens. That congressman was promptly shouted down with the boos from Democrats. On Capitol Hill, I'm Joel Brown, Eyewitness News.